In the second part of this tutorial, we're going to finish getting down to business with FM Navigator. A metric is how you will determine if and when you achieve a goal or milestone. A metric can be a specific revenue amount, number of customers, a percentage increase over the baseline, and so on. A metric must be measurable. Do what by when? For example, increase new client acquisition by 2,500 by the end of quarter 4. Input the metric starting point, target amount, and timeline, and click on the little check mark to save. FM Navigator then breaks down the metric length difference between the starting value and ending value, and most importantly, the monthly delta needed to achieve the goal. Now that you've defined all of the specifics around the goals and supporting strategies, it's time to make the plan live. As stated in previous tutorials, there are a few prerequisites to making an object live. First, the goal must be complete, including metrics and milestones. Then, supporting strategies must be completed and validated. Next, head into the top-level goal and either click on the Go Live button to make just that goal live, or click on the Make Child Objects Live button to make the entire tree active. Remember, only live objects will be represented on the dashboard as well as in the Actions view. All items that are not live are still available in the Quick Plan to continue the planning process. Activity cards are a graphical representation of all live goals, strategies, and actions in your plan. The information contained in these cards is color-coded to quickly show a specific type of status: on track, behind, or complete. The Actions view is a list view of all live items, again showing each initiative and its status, as described previously. This page, however, allows you to not only see your items, but team as well as individual deliverables. Summary cards are pulled on demand from the dashboard to check in on the progress of an individual, goal, or team. This is extremely useful to review immediately before heading into a coaching session or client check-in meeting. Now that we have a live plan, resources assigned to each task, it is very simple to hold all members of the team accountable for their activity, or lack thereof. Using our real-time reporting tools and automatic email alerts, you can now manage your client and their activities wherever you are. Now there is no more guesswork during review time. Simply generate the reports and allow your client to easily evaluate each team member on a level playing field. This process also clearly illustrates the return on investment for the client. Not only return on investment from the plan, but from your coaching or consulting fees. Now, with a positive feeling and the supporting return on investment numbers, you will retain that client longer and continue to infuse your services across the organization.